try to be normal. Yeah, I don't know if that's even possible. Alright, the Caliburn. That's what we're getting into today. I've been wanting it. It had a lot of hype surrounding it. Grim Green thought it was the shit, so I wasn't going to buy one at $30. I wasn't going to buy one until it went under 20. So it did. It finally made it, and I got it. Yeah, I like it. It comes with 2 pods. It comes with 2 of these. And it's good. I like it. Yeah, I would buy another one if I lost this. Not for $30 though. I wouldn't do that. Because it's a pod. It's not created to last. And, you know, these things wear out. And plus, you have to buy pods. It's refillable. But when it goes bad, then you gotta get new ones. But I got a hack, which will be happening in the next video. But this is a rebuild kit for the Uwell, coming from Coil Master, and I am very excited about it. Take a look at the cotton there. It's everything you need. I always had difficulty rebuilding stock coils because of the cotton. It's real thin and it can be wrapped, and I never could find cotton like that in order to rebuild stock coils. But Coil Master has finally got something. I know I could do this, figure it out on my own if I had that cotton right there. But they have their own way of doing it, which I will do in the next video. This is a yes. What more can I say about it? Oh, there's a couple cons that I have. And the main con that I have is I don't like both. Hey, little girly girl, you haven't come to see us in a while. It's either draw activated or you can push that button. I'm more of a one or the other kind of guy. Now, the main reason is when I put it in my pocket, this button gets pushed and it starts firing. Luckily, it has a 10-second shut off, so if I hold it for 10 seconds, it'll just shut off. So that at least is a good thing. Hi, baby girl. I don't like that it sticks out. If it was flat, it would be better. And mine is flat, if you look. It's up a little bit, just a little tiny bit. Not enough to fire while it's in my pocket. Basically all I did, and I did this on accident because it had popped out. Anywho, all you gotta do is pop out the button, take that little rubber piece out and put it back in, and it'll be flat if you want to do that. Anywho, yeah, man, I probably wouldn't have purchased this if I had no way to rebuild the coils, because I've got enough vape gear that you have to buy coils for. I give all of that stuff away. I'm not buying coils, man. A pod system. So that means the flavor ain't the best, but it's certainly not the worst. For a pod system, it's banging. The Uwell Caliburn, my friends. love it if you subscribed, only if you want to. Hit the like button, because I say so. I mean, only if you want, you know. Whatever. Hitting the like button helps. I don't know how exactly, but that's what they say. One other thing. If you're interested in this, which I would be if I were you, if you could buy it from my link, which is an affiliate link, I get a small percentage, which helps me out a lot. I don't make money off of this stuff. I do get this product, but also this product I paid for with my own money. It was on sale, $15 McGala. Anywho, I got this from healthcabinet.net, who are always having awesome sales. It got here in 2 weeks. I purchased this one at the same exact time, and it got here a day before, so it was here 13 days. This one 14 days. Had no issues, and this is during all of the craziness that's happening. So, yeah, it's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Anywho, stick around and not stick around, but wait for the next video. We're gonna rebuild. It's a coil. Standing Man signing out. Peace. Well, let me send you out.